So for this pattern I'm using medium acrylic, medium worsted yarn and 6mm crochet hook. As always, refer to the pattern for more details about this hat. We'll start with a slip knot and I'm gonna chain 4. Two double crochet in the first chain. Chain 1, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet again, chain 1, 1 double crochet. So at the end we should get 6 V-stitches, which is 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So again 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, and join to the beginning, chain 4. So you see here the previous chain 1 spaces for the V-stitch. We're gonna work inside those spaces, so I'm gonna chain. So straight away into this first one, I'm gonna make a double V-stitch, which is double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and in the same space again double crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet, and we repeat in all the spaces, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and again in the same space double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, till the end of the round. And here is my last double crochet, and I'll join to the first double crochet. Now for the next round, in the first space, which is this one, I'm gonna make a double V-stitch. In the next space I'm gonna make only 1 V-stitch, which is double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and repeat in the same stitch, chain in the same chain, and in the next chain double crochet, chain 1, double crochet once only, so to keep the circle flat. And again we repeat in one space 1 double V-stitch, and in the next space a single V-stitch. Always look at the written pattern so you can follow properly and understand. Now I'm at the end of the round and we end up with a single V-stitch. Join. So this is how it looks. So I still have 2 more rounds to make, which is number 3 and 4, and then we'll start making only single V-stitches till the end. So for the next round and the one which will follow, again double V-stitch in the first spaces, in the first space, one space, and single V-stitch in the next 2 spaces, so 1 and 1, and in the next row it will be double V-stitch in one space and 1 V-stitch in the next 3 spaces. Again, with the written pattern you'll understand more clearly. So this is the first space, which is the previous chain 1, so 1 V-stitch, which is double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, and another V-stitch in the same space. In the next space, 1 V-stitch. In the next space, 1 V-stitch. In the next space, double V-stitch. And we repeat again, single V-stitch 2 times. So here I'm at the end of the 5th row, and this is my last V-stitch of this round knot row. And I will join again. So now I'm gonna change color, and from this round till round 11 I'm gonna make only a single V-stitch in every round. So I have done here 5 rounds, but you can make 6 if you want it larger. As the pattern I have written is 6 rounds of increase, but I did here only 5 rounds of increase. So I'm gonna start with a single crochet, a single V-stitches, which will shape the bucket hat, initial shaping of the bucket hat. So I'll put the yarn on the side, I will join with a new one, just pull through and hide the thread along, make sure it is tight enough, and I will start with the V-stitches. So my first space is this one, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and into the next space, chain 1 space. So again, from round 5 to 11, or from round 7 to 11, sorry, round 6 or round 7. So only single V stitches in every chain 1 space. Like you see here. And this is how to make the V-stitch beanie. It's 14 rounds total, and it's very easy to achieve. Don't forget to look at the written pattern to follow together with the video. And if you have any questions, do not forget to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.